Hey there guys, it's Amanda. Thank you for coming by my channel today. I truly appreciate it. Today's video is part of a cookbook collab hosted by Southern Wife Everyday Life. So make sure you go head over to her channel and check out her content. She's got a lot of yummy recipes and I know you won't be disappointed. There will also be a playlist linked below along with her channel just so you can have some more inspiration and more recipes to try from all the lovely ladies that are adding to this collab today. First up, we have chicken over curly noodles, and I know the ingredients may sound a little weird. Peanut butter, noodles, ramen noodles, in fact. And I was skeptical at first too, but believe me, this actually turns out really, really good. The noodles are amazing. The sauce is just, I want to double and triple it and put it on everything. But here's the original recipe if you want to copy it or screenshot it. And the things that I listed before is what I used in my additions to it. So you'll start off by putting all your sauce ingredients into a bowl and you'll mix it up really well. And I know the sauce may look weird once you stir it up because it's kind of chunky and weird textured, but don't worry, just keep stirring. It's gonna be great. Then you're going to want to add your panko and then your seasoning packets. You only use 2 of them, and you'll add that into your panko mixture into a bag. And then I added pepper, and then you'll shake it around to mix it till it's combined. And then you'll start adding your slices of chicken and make sure that they're well coated. I just shake them around in the bag for a little bit and make sure that all of the breadcrumbs get all over the chicken. And then you do that for each piece. And I have to be honest, I did not think that that was going to be enough breadcrumbs that's listed in the recipes, but it was actually enough. It coated them. I didn't have too much excess left over either, so it really wasn't a waste, which was great. I just wanted to take a moment out and welcome anybody that's new or that came over from the collab. Thank you. I appreciate that you're here and welcome. I'm Amanda. I love to share easy recipes, budget-friendly meals, tips and tricks in the kitchen. I love to give meal inspiration. If I can inspire you to cook something or make something easy for your family, I'm all for it. So if that interests you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'd be great if you join my little YouTube family. Then you're going to heat a pan over medium-high heat on the stove and you're going to cook your chicken in your oil. I would have to say that you might want to double or triple the oil. They will only ask for 1 tablespoon. I feel like that wasn't enough for the chicken, so I would just add more oil to the pan in order to cook it. But you'll cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it reaches temperature. And this is what the chicken looked like once it was done in the pan. And I know there's a weird shaped piece of chicken. It looks like an octopus or something odd, but it tasted great. And then you're going to cook your noodles according to package instructions. And then you're going to want to heat your sauce up in the pan and then add your noodles to it. You will notice that once I'm mixing it around and everything, it doesn't look like it's enough sauce. It actually was enough sauce, but we actually think that we would probably double or triple it because it is that good. And I love it. I absolutely love this sauce. And here it is, all plated up with the chicken, and it was so good, guys. I can't wait to make this again. I will say that the chicken is not good as leftovers and reheated, but the noodles they were just a little dry, but oh my goodness, it's so good. I hope you try it. Next up, we got meatball pizza subs, and this was the first time having this, and we got it out of a cookbook as well. So you're going to want to grab 4 pieces of foil and all 4 of your sub rolls and put them in each piece of foil, and then add your sauce and then your slice of cheese, and then add your meats. We used pepperoni in the meatballs. We got 3 meatballs on each sub, and then you're going to want to add more sauce, and I added pepper too, and then add your shredded cheese on top of that. We just got these sub rolls from Walmart, and they were very affordable, and this meal is very easy, so it's just a great weeknight meal. And if anybody's wondering what that weird wavy cheese is, that's Provel cheese. I used Provel, cheddar, and then I believe it was an Italian blend. And then you're going to want to wrap your sandwiches up in the foil, but not over the top, so kind of like in a basket shape. And then you'll cook them at 400 for 12 minutes. And here's what they came out looking like, and they were awesome and cheesy and great. We loved these, and we'll definitely be making these again. I hope you guys will give these recipes a try. If you do, let me know in the comment box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you again for coming by. It means a lot. And I thank all the ladies that are a part of the collab. I know your recipes are going to be awesome, and I can't wait to watch them. I hope everybody has a wonderfully awesome, amazing day.